Hi guys, so this is a simple henna recipe that I use, and for this we need fresh Rajasthani henna powder. You can use any other henna powder, but that should be very fine, so you should be properly sifted. And then I have the essential oil. You can use any essential oil, whatever you like. There are lavender, eucalyptus, there are so many varieties available. Whatever you like you can use. Then I have water, I have sugar, then I have lemon juice, but I properly strained it so there is no lumps. Then I have a measuring spoon, that is a 1 tablespoon size, and I have a cling tip and a mixing spoon. So this is a very simple way. So first what we will do is, this is around 100 grams of henna. So we will mix around 2 tablespoons of sugar in this. And the quantity of sugar varies according to temperature and weather. And then I am going to add the lemon water little by little. The more lemon water you use, that makes henna preserve for longer. So if you want to preserve it for a very longer time, then you can use just the lemon water and don't use water at all. Be very careful when you add lemon juice or water, because the sugar will release water as well, so we don't have to make our paste very thin. We also add the essential oil. So in 100 gram of henna we usually add 30 ml of essential oil. Now I will add some water. It totally depends on you whether you want all lemon water or you want to add water as well. We have to mix it well. So mix it well and make sure it's not thin, it should be thick. We will add more water if required after the dye release. So now we will wrap it, and we will wait for 12 to 24 hours. It depends upon the temperature and what you actually add in the henna. So after that we will finally mix it, so that don't worry now about any lumps in it, because they all will go away. So just wrap properly with the cling wrap. And now we will keep it maybe 75° Fahrenheit temperature. So it should not be very hot or cold, because it will change the time of the dye release. So now we will wait. Okay, so now we will check whether dye is released or not. So I am opening it after 24 hours. And now we will mix and also check if we need to add more water in it. So it requires a little bit of water, but you just mix it very little at a time. consistency is looking pretty good, but just to check we should do a patch test with just a little bit of dot on your hand just to check if it's ready. So we will do a patch test for 5 minutes. Okay, so after 5 minutes we will check. And if you see an orange color like this, that means the dye release is done and then the paste is ready. Okay, so now we will fill the paste in a cone shape like this, which is easily available for icing. So what we will do, that we will take a container and put it like this. So that we can easily pour the paste inside it. Okay, so now we have poured everything in it. Now we will just seal it with the rubber band. Okay, so we have filled all the henna paste in a big cone. Now we will just put a rubber band. And now you can put this paste in a freezer. Right, in a freezer, so it will last very longer, maybe up to 6 months. So you can put in the freezer, freeze it whenever you want to fill the cone, just defreeze it in like 1 hour and then you can fill the cones.